Hi everyone, this is Sam from the Sandala shop. Welcome back to our Sandala training videos. In today's video, we will be making the Sandala. As per usual, starting with the razor rake to make a clean canvas. Next, using the square rake, we will make the center design. Following this, using the back of your square rake in a bounce motion to make this design. Moving on, with the square rake, we will do a delayed bounce pattern for this one. You can now grab your original rake to make the up and down pattern on the outside of your middle design. Finally, using the narrow end of your original rake, you can outline everything. There you have it, the Sandala. I hope you enjoyed today's Sandala. As always, stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials and have a beautiful day.